Hey guys, this is Mia. Look what I got today. The new Tropical Strawberry Shakeology with lots of yummy stuff. Okay, I'm gonna do mine with a cup of unsweetened almond milk. And then we'll see here. It smells fruity. Okay, so let's do a scoop here. And I'm just going to blend it with the almond milk to see what this thing tastes like. First of all, before I add any more stuff to it. You think it's going to be good? Yeah? Okay. Let's see how this tastes like. It's actually pretty good. It's like vanilla-y, strawberry kind of. I don't know. Let me ask my dad. Pa, see, Mom, what does this taste like?
Nothing.
Taste this. Just taste it. What does it taste like?
Really good.
Good? Tastes like strawberry?
Yeah.
Pineapple?
Really
Vanilla?
good. Yeah,
Something.
I like it.
Okay, now I'm gonna add my, I love this right here. It's the frozen fruits with mango, papaya, strawberries, and pineapple. I'm gonna try this because I like mine cold and like ice creamy texture. Actually, I'm gonna add a little bit more. Add some more stuff to it.
Taking long.
Look at that. Let's see. It's good. Let me see. Come taste it.
You like the soup with some milk, man. Yeah, Leo bird, milk bird. Oh.
Like it better with the
love it.
frozen fruit or no? With fruit or no?
Yeah.
There you go. Tropical Strawberry Shakeology. Pretty yummy. Pretty yummy. Okay, let me see you try it. Tropical Strawberry Shakeology. Do you like it? What about you? Is that good? Ooh, they actually like it. Do you like it, Justice?
Yeah.
Yeah? A+? You gonna take it every day?
Tastes like mango ice cream.
Mango ice cream? That's good, isn't it? Yeah? Tropical Strawberry Shakeology. Even the kids love it, right? Ew.